Oh, second. Getting it closer to coming down. All this stuff. So we're gonna concrete the whole side of the house so I can bring a car down this side. A flower box is along the bottom of that fence right there. So, and concrete the whole thing. So we can have a area for working on my projects, and also to so she can barbecue and sit back in the sun for my wife. That's the plan. What we got here, Simi? Oh, okay.
Brand new.
Yeah, looks much better. So what are you guys working on next? Just
The other side.
the other side now?
See, after this, it's
Yeah.
good for us
Uh-huh.
to grade it.
Oh, okay.
You know, whatever we take, you know,
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
to grade it.
Yeah.
Solid, huh?
Solid. Solid as a rock, my friend. Ah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ah, yeah. This is day 2. Gonna have a gate right here. It opens up right here. Walk it down. My goal was when we open this up, we want to see all new stuff. So hit it all the way around the border. They've been working hard, digging up all the stuff, getting it ready for the extra next step after this. Same thing over here. As you see on the other fence, reinforced all this and reshot it like this, so it'll be new. So we knock all this out next, but yeah, give it the whole once around like that. He making them all the same heights with privacy fence, so you know, yeah, enclosed little area. Looking at day 3, they got it all leveled. They're gonna bring the bobcat tomorrow, smooth it off, haul away some more, and go from there. They got this part of the fence already done over here. So tomorrow they'll be breaking concrete, adding the other half of the fence, and get it going. That's right. They ain't playing. They ain't playing at all. Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. We are currently under construction, but we will remain open, operating at a diminished capacity right now because we got some things jumping off around here. New upgrades to the shop and whatnot. Breaking it off. you see, men at work. But I say we'll still be open. Like I said, a slightly diminished capacity. I'm talking to the old men over here. They say they ain't got no youngsters on the crew because they lazy. So it's just these 4 guys right here on the case making it happen. Nothing like good old-fashioned manual labor. Money's Car Stereo. So that you see what I see. We doing some upgrades. That's right. Yeah. Telling you, I'm fresh off the truck. That man ain't got no front light. Man, get out the car, man. What you doing? We over here, Money's Car Stereo, keeping it moving. I went over there, dropped off a bags to get it on its way back to Dover. And I believe I got people just showing up randomly, dropping me off another one. God damn it. Oh, this bike, I hate this bike. This bike will hurt you. Maybe why I say it'll hurt you? These jokers right here will stab you when you least expect it. Pretty bike though. Yeah. Man, your warranty expired. Y'all can see, return of the cut man. George, man, tell us something, man. What made you, what was your ideal with this?
Oh man, it just all matched, bro.
It all matched?
It all matched. It matched the paint. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Matches in there.
he got it going up in there. Y'all, this is hazardous to your health right here. Oh, since I'm talking to you, man. So you said you was riding the ATL and the Bay.
Yep.
Where's your favorite place to roll at, man? Are you universal?
I'm a town nigga.
You town? He said the town. That means the Bay Area on town. But when you was in the ATL, did you enjoy yourself?
A lot of hot wings and thick thighs out there.
Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Shout out to the ATL. We doing it on both sides, but we on back on the best side, the west side.
Yeah,
Gotta
yeah,
go.